I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes. Yes, I am, bitch.
I am going to remind you in advance that I'm very sorry and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck!
And she is the moment.
People are always talking about how bad social media is for your health. What about work? What about work?
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Yes, sex is great, but have you ever farted away a stomachache?
Use your brain! Use your brain! Use your brain! The thing in your head, use it!
Some people have a boyfriend. Some people have a girlfriend. I have depression.